Hi guys, I have a quick little haul for y'all. I was scrolling, minding my business one day last week, and I saw a Kate Spade sale, and this one is the Kitt large tote. So let's unbox her together from Kate Spade. Get it out the plastic bag. Kate Spade, New York. And it is a Kitt, K-I-T-T, Kitt large tote. And it says Kitt, the little better nylon. I don't know what that means. The color is Thunder Cloud. This is the compared value or whatever, but I didn't pay that. I paid $6 to $9 for this baby because yeah, I got priorities, y'all. Yeah, cutting back on stuff. So here, I still got to do a handbag video for you guys showing the collection and all that, but I haven't gotten them things together. So basically, that's the wait. I have to pretty much get myself organized to do that for y'all because I've been busy with work and all of that. So yeah, tomorrow's another day for work too. So here we have our Kate Spade New York logo in gold. I just love the little spade up here. And this little tag comes with her thingy. It feels good. It feels like nylon, but not like my, it doesn't feel like my Dooney nylons. It feels different. And of course, it has a nice handle drop to it. It's like 11 inches for the handle drop. So it's the same style that is on my market tote from Kate Spade. I am trying to do this all by myself because I was taking a nap, and this one looks like it'll stand up to whatever I throw at it. And I'm gonna make this into a work bag, and even though I have a few tote bags from Coach and stuff, I don't put certain things, or I don't want to take certain things in those bags, you know what I mean? So I got me a Kate Spade tote, and I needed a nylon tote because the nylons tend to be lighter and easier on the shoulder now. So let's get one inside out of here. I'm just making a mess of this, am I not? Hannah, I need help. Oh Lord. I don't know how y'all film with one hand because I can't. Here, come do this for me. And just focus on, I hold it there, the bag. You see it? You seeing it? Oh, thank you. All right, so I was really struggling. Had to call for help. And my daughter. One of the reasons I picked the cloud, this color, the cloud, thunder cloud, or whatever they call that, is because I wanted the inside to be clear. Like, I thought it was going to be a little bit pinkish, how it looked online, but it's not. Here's a pull for, here's your Kate Spade logo tag inside. There is a nice roomy pocket on the back wall right here. That is the back. And down in here we have 2 slip pockets. They're not too deep. They're not as deep as my Dooney slip pockets on the inside there. And then there's a little tag thing on the side. But I am liking how light this feels. And I think this is the bag I'm gonna jump into forthwith, because I was using one of my Dooney satchels last week, and then I switched to a Dooney nylon bag, but it's a bit too slouchy. It's very soft and a bit slouchy, and I kind of don't like the slouch so much. So I'm gonna switch into this one. And even though they say this is a large tote, it is more of a medium to me compared to my Dooney bags. This is like really nice. So I'm gonna jump into her. And I got the Thundercloud because I thought this would be a nice neutral color to just wear, because I wear different color uniforms, and this go with any color scrub that I'm wearing, whether I'm in black or gray or blue or purple. This will do nicely. So this is going to become my work bag forthwith, and that's that. So I'm one for you guys when I do an update of what's in my bag, because I want to do a bag roundup maybe at the end of the week, possibly maybe tomorrow. So this is my unboxing for the Kitt, the Kate Spade Kitt large tote. It says Kitt the Little Better Nylon, and it's from Kate Spade. There are no outer pockets. There's no feet on the bottom, and I'm hoping that I can wash it, because I have 2 nylon bags from Dooney and Burke that look soiled, because I use them a lot, quite a bit over the years, and I don't know how to wash them, and I'm afraid to throw them in the washing machine. So I might just take the chance and throw them in the washing machine, but I'm hoping that this will be sturdy, and I won't be, you know, yeah, that I can clean it. So if you guys know how to clean these bad boys, let me know down below. But thank you for watching this unboxing video. The Kate Spade New York Kitt large tote, and there she is. Thank you for watching. Bye.